Welcome to Carbon Cycle Solutions. Carbon Cycle Solutions is a UK-based bicycle repair company specializing in repairing carbon fiber bicycle frames, be it road, gravel, or mountain bikes. If it's carbon framed, we provide the complete solution to get it back up and running. Carbon Cycle Solutions is unique in being the only UK-based company to use methods employed by aerospace and Formula One teams. We remove all damaged fiber, which future-proofs each repair. From there, a combination of unidirectional and woven pre-impregnated carbon material is applied to the area, ensuring that the correct ratio of carbon to resin is always used. Unlike other carbon repair companies, we don't simply bandage the existing damage with a wet layup, as the resin may not be applied at the correct ratio. In addition, the material used for repair differs from that used during manufacturing. A wet layup repair may be quicker, but it leaves up to 99% of the damage still in situ, meaning further damage may occur in the future. All repairs are cured under vacuum in our composite curing oven as per the specifications of the carbon manufacturer. Once repaired, we provide a full painting service including custom resprays as well as a strip down and rebuild service. With a background in commercial engineering and Formula One, as well as a passion for all things with two wheels, you can be assured that your bicycle is in good hands with the team at Carbon Cycle Solutions.
Carbon Cycle Solutions. We inspect, we repair, we paint, we perfect.